My name is Lloyd Haney. I'm here with Fortis Solutions. You've got the new Diana Easy 115 with the Diana Easy Packers. It's a great machine. I like it. We've got another folder gluer. I've worked on other ones before, but this one itself, once you lock it in, it's locked in. Once you dial it in, it stays that way. Some of the other ones have more parts that flop around. This one locks in. Everything seems to be more sturdy than some of the other machines, which makes the catching part go so much easier. Like I say, the machine itself, we're running at various speeds, depending on how our catchers can pick it up in time. Like I say, it's a great machine. We hadn't even scratched the surface as to what it will do, but we love the machine itself. It'll run up to 400 per minute, so it'll run faster than we need it to. I know even on the 4 corners and 6 corners, it'll run at that speed. So as far as your delivery system, what you got as far as how many people you have picking it up, boxing it, you can get up to that speed, but that's phenomenal that it'll even get that high.